It is 10:47 on a Tuesday night. A promising new lead has just completed your website form. Your team is offline, the inbox is growing, and by tomorrow morning that customer may already be speaking with a competitor. Now imagine that the form is checked instantly, the lead is scored, the CRM is updated, and a thoughtful reply is prepared for approval. No one is replaced, no risky message is sent without review. The repetitive work simply moves before the opportunity goes cold. That is the practical promise of n8n when it is implemented as a business system, not treated as a collection of clever demos. In this video, you will learn how to choose the right process, design the workflow, decide between cloud and self-hosting, add human approvals, test failures, and launch safely in 30 days. Stay to the end, because the most expensive automation mistake happens before the first node is even added. First, what is n8n? It is a fair code workflow automation platform that combines business process automation with AI capabilities. Its official documentation describes a flexible system that can connect one application with another through their APIs, while letting you manipulate data with little or no code. The easiest mental model is this: a trigger starts the workflow, then the workflow transforms information, makes a decision, takes an action, and records what happened. Trigger, transform, decide, act, log. If you can describe the process in those 5 stages, you can usually